Super Mario animation and maybe even play the game. Let's start with Super Mario. Now we'll add Mario's smiling face. He looks so cute. Now Mario's head and his body. Now we draw Mario's clothes. Look, Mario is holding a flower. Do you think it's for the princess? It's time to draw Princess Peach. Her golden hair is so pretty. Let's draw it carefully. Now we draw princess dress. Coloring time. Wow, look at this Super Mario. His brown hair, Mario's red hat is so famous, isn't it? We will color Super Mario's clothes with red and blue colors. Yellow and orange for flower. Let's color Princess Peach. Her golden hair is so beautiful. We'll color the princess crown. She looks like a real queen. What a bright and cheerful colors. Mario and the princess look great together. Awesome! See you soon, my friends.